Tornadoes and wildfires leaving towns devastated across the South and Midwest.
Oh, it's here. It's here.
A twister caught on camera in Rolla, Missouri. A father and son watching from their car as it passed right by them. Across the state, at least a dozen people reported dead. You can see this tornado also barreling through the city of Tuckerman, Arkansas. The Drope family's home destroyed in the second tornado to hit their neighborhood in less than a year.
There's a silence that happens before a strong storm hits you. And I said out loud, oh no, this is not good.
In Alabama, things also turning deadly. Near Mobile, at least 3 people killed, including Anita Owen's mother.
You wouldn't think just a wind and tornadoes would do this much devastation.
An EF2 tornado with winds up to 120 miles per hour throwing this empty school bus onto the side of the Winterboro High School. The roof and many of the walls gone.
Oh, man. Oh, no.
And at least 3 people dead in Tylertown, Mississippi, a tornado shredding neighborhoods there. In Oklahoma, powerful winds fueling wildfires that have destroyed nearly 400 homes. ABC's Maria Villarreal is near the town of Norman.
You can see right behind me the damage that was done to this meadow. And now the same area of Oklahoma is facing another round of critical fire danger in the coming days.
And the fire threat is still a big concern, with more than 50 million Americans on alert for fire weather conditions today across 12 states from Texas to the Dakotas. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.